Recently, in a restaurant in India, a waiter served a mouth freshener to a group of people after their dinner complete. And consuming mouth freshener, those people started feeling mouth burning, vomiting, and started bleeding from their mouth. So all are swiftly moved to hospital for treatment. But wait, what went wrong here? So the restaurant manager clarified that their waiter mistakenly served dry ice on a place of mouth freshener. That's why in today's video we will learn about what is dry ice, where it is primarily used, and last we will learn why dry ice is so dangerous to eat. So be with us till the end. Simply, a dry ice is solid form of carbon dioxide. It is called so because when CO2 gas solidifies, it appears similar to the normal ice. Unlike normal ice, it does not melt into a liquid when heated, but changes directly into CO2 gas, a phenomena known as sublimation. The surface temperature of dry ice is about minus 78.5 degrees Celsius. This means it is much colder than water ice. Dry ice used in food preservation during shipping, creating special effects in entertainment industry, cooling in laboratories for scientific experiments, and as a cleaning agent in industrial settings due to its non-toxic and environmental friendly nature. Dry ice is dangerous due to its extremely low temperature. If your handling without proper protection can cause severe frostbite or cold burns on directly contact with skin. Additionally, when it sublimates, it releases carbon dioxide gas, displacing oxygen in confined spaces, leading to asphyxiation. If dry ice is stored in a tight container that is not designed to withstand the pressure from CO2 gas, it can explode. According to the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, the US Food and Drug Administration, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, both dry ice and liquid nitrogen are classified as lethal substances and unsuitable for consumption.